how to turn on or turn off text message notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Messages app. Here click on this profile icon. Scroll down and click on message settings. So after click on message settings, so click on notifications. After click on notification, you will see allow notifications here. So if you want to turn on or turn off text message notification, so if you want to turn off text message notifications, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see text message notification is turned off. So if you want to turn on text message notification, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see text message notification is turned on. So you will turn on or turn off text message notification from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off text message notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.